Hey guys, so my name is Melanie Ludy and welcome back to my channel. My office is a bit of a train wreck.
So I haven't really been using my office so much since we went back hybrid. Also, we got a dog since I kind of went back hybrid. So I have a bunch of cleaning supplies that was in this that was in this laundry room area, but this is now Bruno's space, so we can't have like vacuums hanging or anything. So I have cleaning stuff, and then I have school stuff and random like school things that need to be put away. A plant, there's some wedding stuff here. Like there's just a whole bunch of random nonsense in this room anymore. So first step, I gotta get this office clean so I can like think and be in this space at all.
Okay, so first thing I think I'm gonna do is clear out this closet. This is in the downstairs guest bedroom, and this spot cannot be accessed by Bruno. So I think it'll be a good spot to put all that cleaning stuff, but that means I gotta take all of that stuff out.
So,
let's do that. And now that closet floor is empty. So let me start bringing things in from the other room.
All right, so I got everything in the little basket of random things. Vacuum, Swiffer, broom. This closet is covered now. Okay, so let's go back to the office and start tackling maybe some of that wedding stuff that doesn't belong in there. So this and this go with the printer. So this is just my notebook for random thoughts. That was there. This, some curtain lights, which I'll link the original office redo video up here for y'all in case you want to check that out. But curtain lights, these are old invites or like extra invites. And then most of these are gifts for people. This stuff can all go with the wedding things in the basement. So this is my paper box. I'll also link this video up above how I made this. That goes there. This I picked up at the dollar store for door decor. So I guess this should go in my school bag. Wedding binder. I have to print out my photo invoice. That was the whole reason that was out. I'm gonna write myself a note. These look like random folders and binder separators. This stuff is garbage. This needs to go with tape. And then this Snacks Magic box that I have. It's a really nice box because it opens like that. So I was thinking about using it for a craft project, but I have no idea what. So I'll put this in the basement too with other craft stuff, I guess. Okay, so I have my various work bags here. I'm gonna kind of clean them out, consolidate them, and divvy out what I can to the office quick. To school, this I need today. Can go to school, this I need today. This can get file, charger. This bag, my work bag, and just put everything in here that I'm gonna need. Alright, I need this. This is to the school laptop. phone stand, I need that. Receipt to the post office. Alright. Agenda. This is in here. Work computer. Important paperwork. So, things that need to go to school. Decor piece, school laptop, iPad from the school, chargers for both, and then just like some pens, pencils, this little charger for the Apple Pencil, pen, chapstick, straw, whatever this is, hand sanitizer. Alright, and I dropped a pencil somewhere. I guess not. Okay, so this is the bag that's gonna be set to go to school for the summer. This backpack can go upstairs and be put away. There's that pencil I lost. All right, we're doing good. So much better. Morning, guys. It is June 23rd. Sorry, Bruno is distracting me. Say hi, Bruno. I also have to help my mom move some wooden furniture that she bought. And Bruno's got to go to the vet. So it'll be an exciting day. So I should probably also vacuum today because, you know, you see all this stuffing and strings. Bruno's been tearing through toys recently and it's made my house a wreck, hasn't it, Bruno? Sir, any comment? A comment from you, sir? Sir? No, nothing. You're lucky you're cute.
Okay, so it's about 3 o'clock at this point. Bruno was such a good boy at the vets. He won over every single vet that he came in contact with. Where are you? Weren't you such a good boy? He's such a good boy. So now I'm finally gonna clean the floor that I was gonna do a while ago. So I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a thumbs up down below if you enjoy this sort of content. Also, please consider subscribing down below. It really helps me channel. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.